Hello, and welcome to the Fact Laboratory. It's time for one of those random facts, so today we will be discussing the number one sign your dog trusts you. But first, please consider subscribing to the channel if you like this kind of content. It would mean a lot to the lab. Now let's get started. Dogs are one of the smartest and most intuitive animals known to man. In fact, that's why they are said to be man's best friend. It has been reported by some experts that dogs even understand humans better than some other humans do. Wait, what? Is that even possible? Make sure you tell us in the comments below what you think. Anyways, now back to the content. There are many signs and behaviors that dogs will display to let you know that they trust you. However, the number one sign that dogs will give when they trust you completely is if they are willing to turn over and expose their belly to you. That's right, simply speaking, most dogs are not keen to expose their underbelly in any situation unless they completely trust their environment, surroundings, and the people around them. So if your dog does this for you, then you can rest assured that your dog trusts you 100% and considers you to be a part of the pack. You should feel honored and never violate this trust that you and your companion have built. Trust is one of the most important things to a dog, and the pack as a whole, so make sure you try your best to provide it. Let us know in the comments below some other signs that you have noticed that a dog will do to show that it trusts you. Well, that is all for this facts video. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing if you like this kind of content so you don't miss out on any of our other future facts videos.